Spices, so this is an updated video of our baby chicks. If you remember in the last video we got baby chicks, so this is basically an update of when we first got them all the way until a month. And so watch till the end if you would like to see how big they are now. All right, so I just cleaned their cage. I clean it about twice a week. Sometimes more if it gets worse. And now that they're getting older, they do poop a lot more. And now that they are a week old, this is what we put into their brooder instead of just paper. This is like a horse bedding. So it's kind of like pine shavings, but it is less messy and it doesn't get into their food as much and mess everything up. Another thing I did, I put these little sticks in their cage so that they can roost on if they want to. I put them on there and they're not quite used to them yet. And as you can see, they're not really quite used to this bedding yet. They found the one little piece of paper and folded it down to lay on. But they'll get used to it. With everything I put in there, it takes them a little bit to get used to it. But yep, this is them after 1 week.
All right, so they are 2 weeks old now, and this is their first experience outside. I had an old bunny run, so when I used to raise rabbits, the babies I would put in here just to let them explore outside. So I did the same thing with the chickens. My husband kind of fixed it and stapled it again, but they are loving it outside. They are eating worms in the grass. They are spreading their wings. And as you can see, they are getting a lot more feathers and super active. Another thing that they are doing is they are finally perching. If you remember the sticks that I put in the brooder, they are perching on top of them. I will bring them, of course, back inside because they are not fully feathered, but having them outside for 30 minutes or longer, they are enjoying it. And over here, it is pretty hot outside, so I don't really have to worry about a heat lamp.
All right, so my baby chicks are 1 month old. They're kind of like preteens. I no longer have to have the light in there. They cuddle up together when they get cold. They have quite a lot of their feathers in already. They eat real well. I bring them outside. And if you can see, I got a little bit bigger cage for them, so they have a little bit more room, especially because I have the other cage for my other baby chicks. If you've seen that video, I will link it above in the iCard and below in the description box. But if you can see them, they are doing really good. That one's my Silky. It's gotten really fluffy. Hopefully it's not a boy. And my other Silky's right there looking at us on the other side, cuddled up. But they do talk a lot and they are getting lots of feathers on. But so this is my update on how they're doing after 1 month. The next video I will show you is when we put them in the chicken coop, building the chicken coop, and then putting them in the chicken coop. Well, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will continue to make these videos so you can see the updates of our chickens. Bye, and see you in the next video.